Hello foodies! Today's recipe is a simple potato fry. Boil 4 to 5 potatoes, peel it off and chop it, get it ready. Take a pan, add 4 to 5 red chillies, 2 spoons of urad dal, 1 spoon of cumin seed. Roast them well and blend it into a powder. Crush 3 to 4 garlics and make everything set for the fry. Take a skillet, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil, let it heat and then add mustard seeds, half spoon of black gram, our crushed garlic and 2 red chillies and 1/4 of chopped onion, 3 to 4 curry leaves. Let all the ingredients fry well. When the onion is turned about to gold, add half spoon of turmeric, half spoon of chilli powder and salt for taste. Give it a good mix and then goes our chopped potatoes. Stir them for a while. Keep the flame on sim and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can find out that they are cooked well when you see that the onion get brown color and it is crispy too. Here goes our blend powder, that is the mix of black gram, cumin and our chillies. Fry them for a minute, check the taste of salt and spiciness, and here it is ready for serving. Give it a try at home and let us leave a comment how it turned out. Happy cooking!